Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make style changes on Squarespace 7.1 using the Fluid engine. If you've ever wanted your website to look a little more unique, more true to your brand, or just a bit more polished, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to confidently update your theme, tweak fonts and colors, adjust buttons and forms, and truly personalize your site's look, all within Squarespace's intuitive design editor. First, let's head over to Squarespace and log into your account. This is your home base for everything related to your website design and content. Once you're inside your dashboard, locate the site you want to work on. If you've got multiple projects, just make sure you're in the right one. Now, as you're browsing your site, start by looking up to the top right corner. You'll see an option labeled Site Styles, sometimes marked with a little paintbrush icon. It might seem simple, but this is actually your gateway to a whole world of customization. If you're not quite seeing it, don't worry. Just hover your mouse around that upper right area, and the brush should pop up, usually pretty close to the Edit button. Give that Site Styles or brush icon a click, and the Fluid Engine editor will slide open. This is where you can start playing with the design aspects and bring your creativity to life. The first thing you'll see is the option to select a theme. Think of themes as the overall vibe and layout for your site. They set the canvas for all your other style changes. If your site has felt a little generic, changing the theme can be like walking into a room and repainting the walls in a brand new color. Take your time browsing through the available themes. Each one has its own mood and energy, so pick something that fits your vision. And just a quick tip, if you want to preview a theme before making it live, Squarespace lets you do that so you can test how it looks with your existing content. If you ever change your mind, you can always try a different theme later. Nothing is set in stone here. Once you've selected your theme, it's time to truly make the design your own. You'll see options for editing fonts, colors, buttons, forms, and a category called Miscellaneous for lots of other tweaks. Let's talk about fonts for a moment. Fonts are like a site's voice. They communicate your mood and personality. Squarespace gives you a curated selection of typefaces, and you can set different fonts for your headings, body text, and more. If you're aiming for something elegant, try a classic serif for your titles. If you want a modern look, maybe go for a clean sans serif. Remember, good readability matters just as much as style, so double-check how your text looks on both desktop and mobile. Next up is color. Colors set the emotional tone for your site. Whether you want something soft and calm, bold and energetic, or perfectly on-brand, tweaking these shades is a powerful way to express your identity. With Squarespace's color editor, you can change backgrounds, text color, button colors, and accent hues. If you're unsure where to start, just focus on your primary brand color and build the rest of the palette around it. Now, let's talk about buttons and forms. These aren't just functional, they're key parts of the user experience. Play with the style options to ensure your buttons really stand out and are easy to tap, especially on mobile devices. For forms, maybe incorporate subtle borders or background colors that help them blend in or pop out, depending on your site's needs. There's also the Miscellaneous category, which includes all those finishing touches. Things like spacing, image shapes, line styles, little details that together make your site feel cohesive. Don't worry if you're not sure about each change. Squarespace's undo feature is your safety net, so you can experiment without stress. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've made your changes, hit save, check everything looks right, and you should see your site instantly update with your new style. Whether you spent 5 minutes or an afternoon refining the look, take a moment to appreciate how far your site has come. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop a comment with any questions about Squarespace styling. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.